How to find your credit card number on HDFC without the card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. And today in this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you find the credit card number in your HDFC without your card. So if you had your card, you could check your physical credit card to locate your credit card number. And this number is a series of digits that is either embossed or printed on the front of the card itself. But if you don't have the credit card, you can also find your credit card number on the monthly account statements. These statements can be accessed online through your HDFC net banking account or the mobile app. Simply go to its official website hdfcbank.com and log in with your correct credentials. Do the same in your HDFC Bank app as well. If you're still unable to locate your credit card number, you can reach out to the HDFC Bank customer service for the assistance. However, be prepared to provide your proper identification and verification details to ensure the security of your information, and it is really important to never share your credit card information with unauthorized individuals to protect yourself from the fraud and identity theft. Remember, keeping your credit card details secure is really essential. So this is basically on how can you find your credit card number on HDFC without your card. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.